Are you ringing your school bells like this? If yes, then this video is for you. Hi, welcome to SuperSync Technologies Private Limited. My name is Ashray. Today, I am here to demonstrate the working of the automatic bell scheduler, model WB-06. This model is designed to ring bells automatically based on user-programmed schedules for schools, factories, offices, and more. It's the latest revolution in the automatic school bell product segment. The WB-06 offers hassle-free operation through mobile phones, laptops, or desktop computers. Simply connect the WB-06 to the auxiliary port of any branded amplifier. Connect your choice of speakers to the amplifier, schedule the WB-06 using a mobile phone, and you're all set. Your bell timer is ready to function. The best part is that no internet is required for programming. Simply connect to the hotspot of WB-06 using your mobile phone, computer, or laptop's Wi-Fi connection. Scan the QR code from the front label, and you will be connected to WB-06. Access all the features of WB-06 from this menu. During programming, users can choose different sound files to ring at each scheduled bell time. The WB-06 comes with a micro SD card preloaded with approximately 67 sound files. These sound files include female vocal announcements like, "This is period number 5, it's your lunch time, it's your assembly time," and traditional metal bell sounds. Users can also upload custom sound files to the micro SD card. For this demonstration, I've programmed 4 bells to ring automatically. The first bell at 7 a.m. using file number 17. The second bell at 10 a.m. using file number 44. The third bell at 12 noon using file number 51. The fourth bell at 2 p.m., 1400 hours, using file number 53. Let's see how it works. Here, we've connected our WB-06 bell timer to a complete range of speakers via a 120-watt amplifier. For outdoor applications, we have high-performance horn speakers available in 15-watt and 25-watt variants. For indoor settings, we offer elegant wooden body speakers in both 10-watt and 20-watt options. Additionally, we feature 15-watt wall-mount column speakers, as well as 6-watt ceiling speakers, perfect for seamless integration into modern interiors. Our amplifier lineup includes options as 80 watts, 120 watts, 160 watts, 250 watts, and 350 watts, all equipped with built-in digital players for added versatility. The WB-06 is connected to the auxiliary terminal of the amplifier. On the screen, you can see the next bell scheduled for 7 a.m., programmed for the morning assembly.
Good morning everyone, it's your assembly time. Please walk down to the assembly area.
The next bell is at 10 a.m., programmed for the 5th lecture or period.
This is period number 5.
The next bell is at 12 noon, programmed for the lunch break.
It's your lunch time. Enjoy your healthy food and stay fit.
The next bell is at 2 p.m., 1400 hours, programmed for the end of school.
We are closed for the day. Hope you have enjoyed learning. Bye-bye.
This is how users can schedule and ring bells automatically. For emergencies or bells outside the automatic schedule, Users can activate them manually using a mobile phone or computer. With SuperSync's automatic bell scheduler, WB-06, punctuality and reliability are just a click away. Take control of your schedule today. Reach us at sales@supersync.local. Our sales team would be happy to help you. Set it and forget it. Reliable bell timing made easy. Shop now.